Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel the automatic renewal on IQIYI application. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your IQIYI app, which of course I have done right here. Where exactly can you find the IQIYI app? It is simple. You can find it in Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Once you launch any of those applications, in a search bar, type IQIYI and put it through the on-screen prompt to download and install. After downloading, it's going to take you right into this homepage. Now, once you get in there, check the bottom corner of your screen. You're going to find the Me icon. Click on the Me icon, and it's going to take you to the window where you're going to see login and sign up at the top of that window. Click on that to log in and to sign up, or to sign up. Whichever one you choose. After doing that, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in IQIYI. Now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, and that is how to cancel the automatic renewal on IQIYI. From this homepage, head over to the bottom corner of your screen where you have Home, Explore, Short, Download, and Me. So go ahead and click on the Me icon. It takes you into this window where you have My List, you have History, you have IQI Rewards, you have Language, you have Subtitle, Translation Settings, FAQ, and Feedback. Now, if you subscribe to the VIP membership, once you get into this window, you're going to find your membership in here. So you're going to find your membership in here. So as you can see, this is saying new VIP users offered. This is like a banner for you, more like an ad, but you're going to find it right in this window once you subscribe, just right below your name. So if you subscribed using the automatic renewal, all right, that's the automatic renewal, which is, so let me just go ahead and click on that, and just right below you see this auto renewal subscription rules. So let's say that you clicked on the auto renewal subscription rules and you follow through the rules and you enabled auto renewal. So just go ahead and locate your subscription right here from this list. Locate your subscription under your name, and once you do that, just go ahead and click on that, and you find the option for you to cancel automatic renewal. That's if you had enabled that before. You're going to just click on the subscription you're going to find under your name and click on the cancel auto renewal option. You're going to see there, and after clicking on that, just follow through with the step-by-step processes and your automatic renewal will be cancelled. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.